Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the superfood flaxseed. For centuries, flax seeds have been prized for their health protective benefits. Some have even called it as the most powerful plant food on the planet. It was cultivated in Babylon as early as 3000 BC. And back in 8th century, King Charlemagne believed in its health benefits so much that he had passed a law that his subjects had to consume flax seeds. And now, its benefits are scientifically proven and it is emerging as the new wonder food. Benefits of taking flax seeds. Flax seeds are loaded with nutrients. Just 1 tablespoon provides a good amount of proteins, fibers and omega-3 fatty acids, in addition to being a rich source of some vitamins and minerals. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fats. They are rich source of lignans which may reduce risk of cancer. Flax seeds may help in reducing cholesterol level. They may lower blood pressure. Flax seeds keep hunger at bay, which aids in weight loss. Flax seeds are great source of plant-based proteins. Flax seeds are rich in dietary fiber. Just 1 tablespoon contains 3 grams of fiber, which is 8 to 12% of daily recommended intake. With so much fiber packed in each tiny seed, adding flax seeds to your diet promotes regular bowel movement and can improve your digestive health. Flax seeds help in controlling blood sugar levels. How to use flax seeds? Use cold pressed virgin flaxseed oil. Drizzle it over your salad, or you can add it to your yogurt or smoothies to thicken them, or simply you can add it to water and then have it. One thing which is interesting and noteworthy is that flaxseed oil has more omega-3 than flax seeds itself, so it is always good to include both the things in your diet. Like you should include a little bit of flax seeds also and little bit of the flaxseed oil also. Roast flax seeds and use it along with other seeds. Keep a mix of roasted seeds on your bedside counter, something like this. So this mixture has sesame seeds, black and white both, and flax seeds, and it does not contain any salt, so I use this one. And this can be sprinkled over your porridges, on might be your yogurt, or on any dish, on salads. So this can be sprinkled anywhere, and at least 1 teaspoon you should have it daily. Eat grounded flax seeds. Freshly grind flax seeds and eat 1 teaspoon of it daily along with lukewarm water. I prefer taking a combination of all these 3 things. So I start my day with freshly ground flaxseed powder, around 1 teaspoon, and then during the day I make it a point to include flaxseed oil, which is cold pressed virgin flaxseed oil. And then when I end my day at bedtime, I take this mixed seeds, which has all sesame seeds and flax seeds, both the things. It has the goodness of both things. So that is how I include it in my diet. This is a simple way to include flaxseed oil and roasted seeds in your diet. You can add it to your chopped salad. So here is the B&B virgin cold pressed flaxseed oil, which I am adding to my salad, which will be followed by B&B mouth freshener. The mouth freshener is just simple roasted seeds without any added salt. So this is also from B&B. So here our healthy and delicious salad is ready. Flax seeds is a very beneficial food. You all have seen the benefits. So do include it in your diet, as it acts as a preventive measure also for many lifestyle disorders. It is a versatile food and it can be used in many ways. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you will start including flaxseed and flaxseed oil in your diet now onwards. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Dietitian Priyam Mohan signing off for now. Always remember to keep your health first.